Hello, online learners. It's me, Mrs. Linda Meyer, your teacher, and I'm just coming at you the day before school is going to begin. Can you believe it that school is starting tomorrow? I know I can't believe it. I've been working really hard getting your classes ready. I have some awesome assignments, some really fun projects, and all sorts of stuff coming your way for your particular class. I teach, in case you're like, why am I getting this from this crazy woman? I teach Honors World History 1 and 2, World History 1 and 2, and Economics and Sociology. So you're probably signed up for one of those courses if you are getting this video from me. I am here to remind you that not only does class start tomorrow, and the class will be published at 7 a.m. and you can get started if you're not already in school, but you will also need to take that orientation quiz, okay? So you're going to want to make sure you enroll in that orientation course, go through it, take the quiz, and screenshot your score. You're also going to want to screenshot those notification settings, because I have to actually make sure that my communication to you is getting out and that you are receiving that stuff from me. So I'm just going to take a quick look at those and give you a nice easy score for the course, okay? I've got some seriously fun things planned for us in the first week. We have lots of content, so if you get that stuff out of the way, we can really start diving into the content, because that's going to be part of your first due date. Your first due date is on Tuesday. My due dates for all my courses are on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10 p.m. So you want to make sure that you're getting that stuff taken care of, okay? And then finally, I just wanted to just tell you a quick thing that Mr. Dugan and I, the other online social studies teacher, are having an open house at Barry Goldwater High School from 3 to 5 p.m. So we're having a kind of meet the teacher. We would love to see you, would love to meet you in person, meet parents, meet students, and really be able to answer any questions that you have in regards to the online learning program or our specific courses, okay? Other than that, I hope that you've had a great weekend, you are rested and ready to begin class with me, all right? Never hesitate to reach out. Starting tomorrow, we have the Canvas inbox system ready for us. Otherwise, for today, you can certainly continue to email me, all right? Thank you so much, you guys, and have a restful rest of your Sunday.